One of my favorite rooms is the Crimson and Blue room, and that's a space that is dedicated for admissions to bring in smaller groups. We designed a backdrop mural in that space that I really think evokes KU.
So let's talk a little bit about the brand new Jayhawk Welcome Center and Adams Alumni Building. How do you get that from the collective mind of the Alumni Association and the initial brain trust around that to what it is today?
This Welcome Center is, I would say, one of a kind, state-of-the-art. The concept is, at its simplest forms, marrying the journey, the Jayhawk journey, from start to finish. So you come in as the prospective student, you leave as an alumni.
What was the process there to design the exhibits, the experiences, to pull all those pieces together?
We worked for, I want to say, 3 years. So I remember, I think it was back in 2018, we had an initial brainstorming meeting where we pulled several campus partners, KU Marketing, KU Admissions, alumni members, and we sat in a room with Dimensional Innovations, who's our design partner, and we started brainstorming what is the Jayhawk experience. So that really shaped the experiences that you see inside of the Welcome Center.
What's next for the JWC and Adams Alumni Center as it kind of lives into its first year as an open, public, fully functioning building?
Now that we are fully open and operational, we are seeing daily visits every single day. So we have student visits happening every day of the week. When we're not doing student visits, we're doing events. So we are hosting events. Our facility is for rent, or spaces, our event spaces are for rent. But most immediately, our next big event that we are hosting is our commencement open house.
Yeah.
So our commencement open house will take place on May 13th. That is the day of commencement. Our building will be open from around 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. so families can stop in. They can see what's going on in the building. They can take a tour. They can play around with the different exhibits, experience the Welcome Center in its truest form. We'll also be open that Saturday beforehand, 10 a.m. to around 2 p.m. For families to just stop by and check it out. I'm really proud of the work that has gone into it from our team at the Alumni Association, but also across campus. We have partners that are thrilled with the spaces. Our chancellor loves the Seymour Pub. He likes to host a lot of events. That's a really fun and unique space, and it's fun to see all the collaboration and the excitement around it.